Everybody struggles with that last 10% of a repair. So today I'm going to share with you 2 exercises you can practice yourself from home that are going to help you improve your accuracy to achieve a really nice clean finish. So stay tuned. So I've got a bonnet panel secured down to a stand, and I'm going to start by putting a very small dent into my panel. To allow me to create a really small dent, I'm using quite a sharp tap down and a hammer, and I want to create as small a dent as possible that still shows up on my line board. So right now, as we look around, we can just pick out that small little dimple just here. So this is to mimic a micro low. Typically repairs end up coming down to a few micro lows and a few micro highs. So now with my S-hook and O-ring underneath my bonnet panel, I'm going to put in my double bend bar. Now I've got a screw tip on here. It's bare metal, but it's a fairly round tip. So I'm going to practice moving around my tool tip, really hone in on those accuracy skills. Slowly bring my tool tip down until I'm confident it's in the right place. And because this dent is so small, I'm just aiming for the center. So this is where that accuracy comes in. You need to get consistent at being able to get your tool tip to the tiny little low that's there and apply just enough pressure to be able to lift out that low. So the second part of this exercise, we're going to tap down a micro high. I've put a couple of layers of tape on my tool tip, and again through the S-hook and O-ring, I'm now going to apply just enough pressure underneath to create a small high spot. So you can just see those lines starting to pinch together as I apply the pressure, and then just a little bit more so that I've peaked it and my high spot remains in the panel. I want the smallest high that I can create that still shows up in my board. So you can just see it here as those lines pinch together. Now I'm trying to get the center of the high spot, so where it peaks the most. A few gentle taps to start reversing that impact, tapping down my high, and I want all of my lines to read true. And of course, practice makes perfect. So repeat this exercise a number of times until you are consistent at finding your tooltip and successfully removing the damage 100%. So if you practice these 2 exercises until you're consistently picking out the micro lows, tapping down the micro highs, I promise you your PDR skills are really going to come on to the next level. You'll know exactly what's going on in those crucial finishing stages, and most importantly, you'll have the skills to be able to achieve a really nice clean finish. So I really hope you found today's video useful. Do let me know how you get on in the comment section straight below, and as always, you can like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.